Shen Sunrise Ceramic Products Company Limited is a professional supplier of bathroom products located in Hubei Province, supplying different kinds of toilets, ceramic wash basins, biet, and bathroom suites. Our partners have advanced ceramic production lines, producing about 5 million pieces of sanitary wares each year. Our partners have introduced a series of advanced equipment, including CNC and high-pressure casting and robot for glazing. All products with high quality, with best raw materials, accurate preparation of ingredients, glaze surface, advanced grouting technology, casting, and spray glazing. In addition, we have obtained certificates ISO 9001, ISO 14001, UKC, ACE, CUPC, WATE, RMARK, SEDES. We have a full team, sales team, merchandising team, technical team, after-sales team, at any time to provide our customers with the best quality and most professional service. Every year, we attend conferences from all over the world and provide free samples. Sunrise has always been adhering to be honesty, innovation, and win-win enterprise idea and will continue to carry forward the brand spirit by the good faith attitude, efficient innovation, and win-win pattern. We have more than 500 customers all over the world because of our competitive prices, stable quality, timely delivery, and good service. Based on our proficiency in every facet of our products, we understand customers' demands deeply and solve problems promptly. Welcome to join us and create a better future together.